Hello. So Leo, I'm actually going to show you something a little bit different. Yes, it's still in archicad, lakini most of you tumezoea tukifanya publishing tunafanya in a single page. Leo nataka tu kuonyesha how you can do multiple pages. There are times utapata kuwa kuna document yenye inahitaji more than a single page. So currently mimi nishaweka nini zangu zote in the pages zinatakikana. So tukiscroll utaona in the second page niko na hiyo, third page niko na that, fourth page niko na some sort of ni 3D elevation ya the material texture yenyewe, then like that. So as we go mpaka page 7, so there are times unaweza taka kuziweka zote kama document moja. So basically what you want to do ni kusave hizi vitu zote as a single document. So utakuja select from beginning, so go back to page 1, then what you just do, since inaanzia hapo, so from this navigator tuna select mpaka kwenye yetu inaishia. So basically ilikuwa inaishia hapa, and by just holding shift then press Ctrl Shift plus S to save. Then we go to document options, then from here you select this one. Make sure you select selected layouts in the navigator, because if you only select entire layout, it's going to save only the first one. But ukiselect ya kwanza, selected layouts in the navigator, ita save all of them as PDF, right? Then click OK there. Then now what you're going to do, utachagua tu ile location yenye unataka hizi vitu zako zikuwe saved. For me nataka yangu ikuwe saved hapa kwa desktop. So from here, this is where I click on save. But do note that since tuna save vitu zenye ziko na the original texture, it may take time to save. So once you've done that, we are just going to open what you've saved. So this is actually how this document looks. So that is the page 7. You can go just to page 1 directly. So that is page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, page 7, and there is a 8 which is actually empty, but it's basically due to the fact that when we are saving, we had actually selected this subset here. So this subset actually entails hizi nini zote, so ita save pia hiyo. So basically that is how unafanya ku save multiple pages in a single document.